let's catch up. It's been a while. So, welcome everybody. Welcome back to the workshop. I am an absolute horrible person for not getting back in a long time of doing a little unboxing video for anybody who has sent me stuff. I've said this before. I'm not really good at that sort of thing. I'm usually pretty busy, and it kind of goes to like the last thing on my mind, even though I really greatly appreciate the cool stuff that everybody sends me. If you would like to send me something, the address to my P.O. box is down in the description, and it is greatly appreciated nonetheless. Now, again, you will have to forgive me for basically taking forever and a day to make a video about what I got. But I just wanted to share a few things. I thought they were very cool. A couple of things that I got. This one, I'm not going to share anybody's addresses here. I got one from let's see here, a Tommy LeBeau. Thank you very much. I'll share that here in a second. This other one, I got this really nice card and some information here. A nice little thank you card. Let's see here. Let me read who it was. And this one is from Hugo Dale. Hugo Dale sent me this. And what he did is he also sent me these great measuring devices here. He sent me a hook rule. I believe, not certain, but I believe John Switzer over at Black Bear Forge also received a package like this many, many months ago. Like I said, this many, many months ago, to help us in our quest to be able to entertain an international audience with metric sort of things and equivalencies. So on one side, you've got America measurements, or what they call imperial or standard measurements. And then on the other side of the hook rule, you have metric measurements. This is going to come in real handy for quick reference. I'm still trying to learn to do both equations in my head, convert metric to standard or standard to metric, so on and so forth. I'm still trying to do that just as a way of learning. That way I can be kind of quick and on the spot if somebody asks me a measurement in their home country's measurement systems. But these will help out greatly, and I will definitely take these around to clubs and classes and things like that, just because every now and then I do get an occasional international student once in a while that's from another country, or I work with a demonstrator. So here's just a regular standard flat rule. I really like this. This has inches and obviously metric millimeters, and it also has centimeters printed on here and inches. So again, a very handy little flat ruler here. That's going to come in a lot of good handy use. And then, of course, you have your metric tape measure. Now, the cool thing about this tape measure here is, it does have magnetic to it, which is awesome in a blacksmith shop. But it has not only the inches, but the centimeters equivalent. So if I have something long that I'm trying to explain, it takes and helps out with that attribute. Come over here. So this is 4 foot long, or let me try to find the centimeters here. 80, 90, 110, 120, 123 centimeters long my table is, or 4 feet. So again, very handy. That's going to come in handy for all my other future videos. So hey, thank you so much, Hugo. Thank you. I really do appreciate that. I am very appreciative. Thank you very much. Thank you for the card. I'm not going to read it on air, but God bless you, and thank you very, very much. So I'll go ahead and put that away there. Now let's see here. One of the other things I have here, I put this away. Try not to keep you all too long today. That way. Now, I was shipped this a while ago. And this is from, again, this is from Tommy LeBeau. I'm not going to show I'm not going to show any addresses or anything like that. Just kind of keep that to myself here. Here, that way don't get all that information there. Let's see here. I do here. I'm going to read through here. I'm going to try to take in. He included some pretty interesting things about it. This is a botryoidal hematite with hematite-coated kyanite on the back of the specimen. It was collected on 9/29/2018, so very recently, in Buckingham County, Virginia, looks like, off of Willis Mountain. So this is kind of a neat little deal. And then he said, FYI, this material has kyanite on the back, and if not handled carefully, it may give you a splinter. So, got to be real careful with this. I've already unboxed this once, and one of the things that I thought was really interesting about it, and basically this is like a form of space rock here, the first form of space iron, right? A little bit of a lump of iron. Isn't that cool? To think that was floating in space there. Came on down and hit the Earth. Real pretty. There's some striations in it and all sorts of cool stuff. Let me try to zoom you all in here. You can see that right there. Is that pretty neat or what? So, I'm not going to forge this. In fact, I was asked not to forge this into anything. But what I will do, and I'm not sure if I'll put it in the shop somewhere or if I will just put it on a board and put it in my house over in the workroom. Still deciding on that, but I'm probably going to take this in this little piece because it is kind of fragile, and I will probably put a little glue on the back side and glue it to a board and kind of make a little write-up of what it is, and I think that'll be pretty cool. I think that'll be pretty cool indeed. So zoom that back out. Again, thank you, gentlemen, for sending me these items. I really do appreciate it. I know it's been like 5 months since you guys sent these things out, or at least that's what it feels like. Been busy, been sick, been all sorts of everything. You know, life's been a country song here lately for me. Oh, and once you know it, I was sick there a while ago, and then I ended up getting it again. Gotta love children, right? Children, they just bring everything into the house. They play with other kids, and then they bring in the sickness. So, anyways, but yeah, so I got a little bit of cold again, but sorry if that's if it makes my voice sound all weird and whatnot. But I just wanted to say thank you to this. And also, there was another person who sent me some palm fronds that I'm going to take a check out. And that'll be in one of these upcoming videos where I'm actually going to try forging in palm fronds. So keep an eye out for that one. And yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted to say thank you to the 2 subscribers that sent this. It's a little short unboxing video. Thank you all for watching it. Let me know what you thought of this video in the comment section down below. And, you know, hit that like button if you liked it and all that other jazz that people ask you for on YouTube. And without further ado, I'm going to get back to forging. God bless, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.